TVs like this one come with Roku OS, a smart platform that gives you access to all of your free TV and subscriptions in one place. So let's take a look around and see what it has to offer. With Roku, it's really easy to find what you're looking for. Whether you want to jump back into the TV show that you're currently binge watching or search for your next movie night blockbuster, just use the search bar here and it will bring up options from all of your favourite streaming services, along with anything else that is free to watch. So no more endless scrolling through all of your individual apps, and if you have a favourite actor or director, just search for their name and you'll get results from all of their available movies and shows. You can also use your phone as a spare remote with the Roku app, and it's really easy to connect to your TV. Just download it, connect it to the wireless network that your TV is linked to, and then log into your Roku account. Then you can use your phone to control what you're watching, and then find the main remote later. Plus, you'll be able to search for content from your phone and even turn on headphone mode. So now, if you want to watch late night films or stay up for a midnight sporting event, you'll be able to settle down in front of the TV without waking everyone else in the house. To make sure every user gets the best experience, Roku regularly update their software to keep all your apps working smoothly. You'll also continuously get new features as they're released, so your TV gets smarter over time. You don't even have to think about updating it yourself, as it's updated automatically in the background. And if you'd like to personalize your experience, there are loads of customization options in the app. You can move and rename and delete apps whenever you like without the hassle, so your screen isn't being filled with services that you don't use. You've even got the option to change your wallpaper or stroll through Roku City, a popular looping screensaver that shows you a virtual Easter egg-filled metropolis. If you would like more info about Roku OS, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.